Investor versus Allotti. Why complaints get rejected? Do you know that your RERA complaint can be rejected even if you have paid lakhs of rupees to a builder? Yes. And the reason is that you are being treated as an investor rather than an allottee. Let me explain. Under RERA law, a allottee is a person to whom a flat, a building, or a plot has been transferred or sold. The law does not differentiate between a home buyer and an investor. However, in practice, the RERA authorities have interpreted this differently, sometimes through the motive of the agreement and most importantly through the terms of the agreement. In several cases, including Maharera rulings, complaints have been dismissed because their MOU showed profit sharing, assured returns, and investment intent. In such situation, buyers were not treated as allottee but as investor and most importantly sometimes as co-promoter, and their disputes were held outside RERA jurisdiction. The key takeaway is, does your document reflect buyer seller relationship or an investment agreement? If there is a flat number allotted, a fixed consideration paid, and an obligation to hand over the possession, then there is a likelihood that the RERA will entertain your complaint. But if your agreement contains fixed returns, no flat unit mentioned, and a vague agreement, then there is a high risk that your RERA complaint will be rejected. This exact distinction was reaffirmed by Maharera ruling dated 24th November 2025, wherein a complaint was rejected because the complainant was held to be an investor rather than an allottee. Time and again, the Supreme Court has held that RERA is a beneficial legislation meant for the allottee and not for the end user, and therefore it will be very difficult for the builder in future to defeat the complainant only on the basis of investor argument. And most importantly, if your RERA complaint is rejected, that is not the end. You can still file a appeal, a civil suit, and also a complaint before the appropriate consumer forum. Takeaway of this video is very simple. Under RERA law, documentation decides your faith and not labels.